here, and I'll show you what the difference is between these two. In case you don't see here, make sure you go to more options. Make sure you go to more options because as you could see overlay here and add overlay. Now you would notice overlay is here and this overlay is here. So there are two overlays, right? Well, the second one, or I should say the first one here, overlay, lets you move your overlay to the bottom right, bottom left. You can move it around. Add overlay just imports your overlay into the video. So we're just going to add overlay now. And how do you do that? Simply click on it and your folder opens where you can then select your file. That's what I should say. All right. And then you select your file. As you can see, it goes right here. Now, the good thing about overlay is you can adjust it. You know, you can make it longer. As you can see what I'm doing here, you could decide to make it longer, shorter. You could trim it. That's totally up to you. But here's your overlay here now, right in the middle. And you can make adjustments. So as you can see here, I can make it bigger. I can make it smaller, you know. And let's now then go to the overlays here. Now I'm going to click bottom right. You see what that does? It moves it to the bottom right. Overlay here also, which is similar to what you've seen. See bottom right, bottom left, top right. So let's do top left here. You see it moves it to the top left. But that's how you can add your overlays and edit it in CapCut.